Oh, time to go to bed. I've got an early day tomorrow. Ooh, I better go to bed. I've got an early day tomorrow. But little did they know, that would be the last time they ever saw Annabelle alive. Alexa, play Thunderstorm White Noise. Welcome to guided sleep meditation. Take a deep breath in and take a deep breath out. And in and out. Oh, screw it. I might as well get up. I'm not falling asleep.